What's up, guys? This is Sushi from Aspiration, and today I'll be doing a advanced area selection tutorial. So this is the picture I'll be doing. If you look at that, it's a very hard to do select things. Her hair are like curly, and it's all over. And real quick, let's start. I just duplicate the down layer. It's a two layer. I'll hide the below layer and I'll select the layer. Now I'll go to color range. I'll quickly select some of the color here like that, and Control Shift I to invert my selection. And now a quick selection tool. I'll select what I want, and her hair are little bit, her eyes is little bit selected as unwanted, so I selected as a wanted there. And now I'll go to refine edge. In refine edge, I will click on smart radius tool. I'll increase up to 50 or so. Now it's almost done, and I'll move on her hair at edge to gain other left off. So if you find like some of the area which is you exactly want, and it's not been selected like this her face, so holding alt move on her face, it will clearly select the things as a hard brush. See, okay, don't hold hard like that. It's been selected, so her hand is a little bit like that, and you move on her hand. It's been selected. So uh, you can play with adjusted edge, like shifting edge like that, or bringing down like that. It's all completely dependent on your project. For this my case, it's exactly I'm taking as a plus 20. So contract, you can also increase if you want a sharp edge like that. I'll put as sharp edge 7, and feather you can play with uh, anything. I don't want in this case feather. So like a smooth, you can play with that. So that's it for refine edge, and I'll just now control J to select from the below layer. So if you hide, you have been selected from the background. So if you still look at that image, we have refined all the thing, but in this case, but it's still been selected the uh, a crayon light, a little bit bluish. So how to get rid of that? It's I tried with a many way, but now I found the easy way is a hue saturation. Clip it to that particular layer, and I'll see the this button. And now if you place somewhere here like in dark, it will calculate the color where you put the cursor. So now if you bring the saturation down, and like that, and it's getting masked, so like that. And you can play with a crayon color, and you can drag a little bit there like that, saturate, fully saturate it, and to move full down, and that's it. And look at that, it has been selected exactly what I want. Now you can, if you find it's a very dark, you can play with the adjustment layer. So adjustment layer, or you can play with the curves to match colors, or you can play with the levels. Let's check with the levels. So okay, like that, or you can play with levels. It's not has been getting adjusted with the levels. So okay, and now I'll drag use the background layer, and like, and just drag it down below like that, and like that. So now if you look, the hair has been um, the hair has been little bit lighter and this has been little bit darker. It has been little bit darker but it is now lighter, so have to make a little bit dark. So I'm selecting the bone tool here. I'll select the girl layer and I'll move over on her hair. We'll create a dark layer like that. So like that. So we all get rid of we did what we want exactly, and you can cover up with some other doing some other adjustment like curves, such as adjusting a curves adjustment like bringing down all the way like that, not all the way, a little bit like that, and you can play with the some other like gradient, adjusting a gradient map. A gradient map work well for covering up. I'm selecting the gradient lighter. Yeah, it's exactly working with light and green as well, and so it's exactly working with the that layer, and you can play with other uh, like her face is a little bit lighter, so you can make dark by burn tool like that. So it's a very simple way. I'm not showing how to set a background. I just show you how to take off from a weird hair look like this one. It's a very impossible. It's very tricky to do things. So I did. This is the advanced hair setting tutorial. You can make color if you don't like with this color. You can hide the layer or like that. You can make see that the color is very, if you play with, it's a huge saturation, is hiding all things and making invisible. It's making, it's convincing the way you look. See, it's a very unbelievable effect, the use saturation. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. This is Sushi from S Creation, and I'll be making a video on every Friday, so make sure you subscribe on my channel. It's S dot creation sushi. So follow my Facebook page and comment if you have any query like questions, anything. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.